Timotenore kod omenda bende ochiw ma bro konyo tuke mag agoko.
Yeah. And this came out from our strategic planning sessions where we found that our market and customer demographics are changing. Our customers are getting younger, more youthful. They are more participatory and they are more engaged in everything that they're doing today in the built environment. And rugby was an automatic fit for us because this game is the largest growing sport in the country at the moment, and it's engaging people from all generations across the board, across the country, very, very effectively. So it was a natural fit for Crown to start participating in that space and to show that we are indeed the #1 paint brand in the country and still supporting our sport, especially our sporting activities today, and where we want to be and position ourselves into the market as we build into the future. So that particularly is where we are. Our partnership with Kenya Rugby now almost one year in. We've had two major events, this being the third one coming up. We did some work with Kenya Rugby around the World Rugby Sevens circuit. We came in a little late, but the effectiveness was really, really good, and the responses. Then we partnered again with Kenya Rugby in Safari Sevens, and now we're partnering again with Kenya Rugby in the HSBC World Rugby Sevens Division 2.
Rugby is a very expensive sport, and then hosting is even more expensive. So having partners like Crown come in, it helps us bridge, the gaps, to enable us host an event and showcase, give a good show.